Promises made, promises kept, and we've kept them. This is a triumph of democracy on the birthday of democracy. So we had a good day. Republicans and beautiful Democrats. We have them both. And it's nice to mention them in the same breath, frankly. And I'm delighted to welcome all of the members of the House and Senate and your...
Wait.
Great question. I would love to speak with them.
Well, we're going to say they're going to descend. We're going to make it incredible. We have all the funding.
Music, what do you like?
I play football.
You play football?
I play soccer.
That's soccer.
I play golf.
Golf?
Gymnastics.
Are you good?
Games.
Yeah.
How are you?
Good. So this is David, everybody. He's working in the White House.
There's a lot of
It's beautiful out here in the garden.
偷偷告诉大家，我最近发现了新法宝 Royal Face 逆时奇迹系列，它有活肤露、全效精华，还有精华霜。尤其我皮肤比较偏干，所以我非常的注重保湿。保湿做得好，肌肤自然烹润。提亮肤色更年轻，抚平皱纹超有感，而且气色变好。用心保养，每天都更美丽。美吧。